Hello friends and welcome to your Tech Space. Here I'll discuss about various programming languages and automations. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking subscribe button below and hit the bell icon to get notified for my new videos. Today I'm going to introduce you to batch file programming. Batch file programming is the native programming language that has been offered by Microsoft Windows operating system. It can be created using any text editors like Notepad, WordPad, WinWord or anything you want. Batch file is actually really helpful in automating tedious tasks like scheduling jobs and various automations which you need to do manually by following various steps in Windows. Actually, there are two modes that are supported by DOS. They are actually interactive mode and batch mode, that is also called silent mode. So I'll show you what is this interactive mode and batch mode. Here I am having one batch file, batch folder actually, that contains so many txt files. So what interactive mode is, let me do it by one example. I'll open command window here. So I'll try to del batch. So what I'm trying is to delete all the contents in this batch folder. So it is asking for, are you sure? If I press yes, then automatically it will delete all the contents of this folder. So this is the interaction what command or DOS is asking from the user. That is why it is called an interactive mode. Here I'll press no. If I press yes, definitely you can see here all the contents has been removed. Now again I have created some txt files in this batch folder. Now for the second one, batch mode or silent mode. In this mode, this operating system will not ask anything from the user. If I put like del /q batch, then it has deleted everything without asking the user. So this is called the batch mode or silent mode. Now we'll learn about how to create your first batch file. So first, definitely I'll teach you one thing. First go to start, then computer, then press alt button here. This window will come up. You just go to tools, folder options, view, and this will be checked. If you have to just uncheck this option, hide extensions for known file types. You have to uncheck this, click on apply and OK. So what will happen actually, if you create one text file, new text file, and I'll rename it my first batch dot, if it is txt. For creating a batch file, this .bat extension is mandatory. So you want to change it, yes, you have to. If this gearbox this logo comes, that means you have created your first batch file. So you have to edit and we have to write some code in it. So first we'll @echo of, then I'll put one rem, my first batch file. then I'll write echo hello world. So this is the first hello world program for you, and I'll put a pause. Okay, so I'll explain it line by line. What is this echo of? Okay, so if we don't put this echo off, first I'll show you by saving this. If you how you have to run this, you have to just double click on it. So it is printing hello world, which was expected. So I'll show you, I'll explain the lines one by one. So if we don't put this echo off, so what will I have saved this, and I'll again run this. So these things like C users Ritvik desktop, C users Ritvik desktop, every time it will come if we don't put @echo off. So definitely we have to put @echo off, as we want to concentrate on our output only. So this rem is for remark. Remark means if you want to add some comment in your batch file, you have to put this rem and then whatever you want to write. Okay, so this echo, next is this echo. What is this echo? Echo is to print something on your command prompt. This is the print function. So we have printed hello world. Okay, now this pause function will pause the execution of this batch file for a while until you press any key. So if you don't put this pause and save, what we will see that this command, this is running, but the command prompt is disappearing. So what we'll do, we'll edit and pause. So the command will come here and ask for press any key to continue. So we have pressed any key, so it will do. So this is the first batch file we have created. So now we know how to create a batch file. Now I'll tell you, there are two types of commands which DOS operating system accepts. First is internal commands, second is external commands. Internal commands are like del, means what are the commands that are built in an operating system, that these are called internal commands. Like cd means change directory, like md, like make directory, like del, everything comes under internal commands. What are the external commands? External commands are like, means if you install any third-party software, these commands, if they are embedded after installing in this operating system and you run like Chrome, this command was not inserted before installing of Chrome. So this Chrome has been installed. Now if I put Chrome, then Chrome is opening. So this are coming under external commands. So guys, this was my first tutorial on batch file programming. On my next video, I'll discuss about various batch operators that will help you write batch file programs for different purpose. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe below and stay tuned for more updates and other tutorials. Thank you.